While still in the music lane, music journalist and television and radio show host Osakioduwa has named Originality as the success recipe for the growing dominance of Nigerian pop sound within the international music space. The entertainment personality, who has hosted the top of the crop of Nigerian acts over the years, told Entertainment News and Channels Television that the infusion of Nigerian culture, tradition and originality in the pop sound is the final element that sold the sound to the international audience. Yes.
I would say just taking advantage of some of the things that we can really exploit that we haven't really taken to its full extent would be taking advantage of our own unique African sound. Afrobeat right now is the #1 sound in the entire world. Everybody's getting on our TikTok songs, our songs on TikTok. Everybody's jumping on our beats. Everybody's trying to remix our song. You see people, the likes of Ed Sheeran, reaching out to say, I would like to be on this track, right? It's because the Afrobeat sound is unique. It's something to do with where we're coming from, who we are, and we haven't really told our own stories enough. We've been telling stories, but we haven't really told our stories enough. We haven't told our historical stories enough, our cultural stories enough. So I think we haven't taken advantage of our culture and our history enough to continue to produce our own unique sound. For years, we wanted to be America. For years, we wanted to be hip hop. We wanted to be R&B. We didn't know we could just be Afrobeat. But now that we have embraced it and the rest of the world is embracing it, I know there's something that is just naturally going to follow. More and more, our sound is going to be exported to the rest of the world.